In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go incognito on X, Twitter. First, we start by opening Google Chrome. On your computer, locate the Google Chrome icon. It usually looks like a multicolored circle. Click on it to launch the browser. As Chrome opens, you will see a clean interface with a search bar at the top. This is your gateway to the internet. Opening the right browser is essential as it ensures that you have a smooth experience with X. If you do not have Google Chrome installed, consider downloading it from the official website. Once Chrome is opened, you are ready to proceed with the next step. Now, to enter incognito mode, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously. As you do this, a new window will pop up. It will have a dark background and a message that reads, "You've gone incognito." This window is your private browsing space. It ensures that your online activity is not saved in the browser history. This step is crucial because it allows you to browse without leaving traces of your activity. You can feel secure knowing that your session will not be tracked. Once that is done, it's time to visit the website. In the new incognito window, type in the address https://x.com. This will take you directly to the X platform. Make sure to type the address correctly to avoid landing on the wrong site. You'll notice a clean interface without any prior cookies or cache affecting your experience. This is particularly important for privacy. By accessing X in this mode, you can explore without any personalized ads or suggestions based on your previous searches. Now that you are on the X website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see the feed, trending topics, and navigation options. This is where you can engage with tweets, messages, and other users. Since you are in incognito mode, remember that any interactions you perform will not be saved once you close the window. This means you can check out new content without worrying about it being linked to your account later. Next up, you might want to log into your account. If you choose to do this, enter your credentials as usual. This will grant you access to your personalized settings and notifications. Just remember, logging in while incognito means your session will end once you close the window. This action gives you the best of both worlds, the ability to interact with content while maintaining your privacy. After that, feel free to browse through the content available on X. Check out the latest tweets, follow trends, or even post a tweet if you like. Each action you take is private, ensuring that your normal browsing experience remains unaffected. You can explore without the fear of your activity being monitored. This freedom can enhance your browsing experience, especially if you are testing new ideas or exploring sensitive topics. At this point, you are fully immersed in your incognito session. Enjoy the ability to explore without reservations. Just keep in mind that once you close the incognito window, all your activity will disappear. This is a great way to ensure your privacy while using X. Once you are done, simply close the incognito window. You can do this by clicking the X in the corner of the window. This action will ensure that all your browsing data from this session is erased. You will see that your normal browser window remains unchanged. This final step is essential for maintaining your privacy and ensures that you leave no trace behind. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate incognito browsing on X with ease. Enjoy your private browsing experience.